Are you guys ready to go get the Christmas tree?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You gotta say it. You gotta scream it like, I'm ready to get the Christmas tree.
I'm ready to get the Christmas tree.
Actually, first we went for some coffee because it's really cold. So we finally made it to the tree farm. So now we're just gonna go in there and we're gonna look for the what looks perfect in our eyes, I guess. We finally found our tree now, so we're gonna start cutting it. Are you gonna help me?
Yeah.
Okay.
All done.
That's our tree right there. There it goes. Let's go pick it up now.
Why did we not?
And just like that, we got it done. Oh my God, that is exhausting. Like,
Especially when it's
vlogging, yeah, that's what I mean. Vlogging with the kids is exhausting. I guess it just depends on what you're doing, no? Like what you're doing at the moment. Something like this, you want your kids sitting down, or you want them to be at least old enough to understand to stay with you, to not bite on the rocks, or run off while you're cutting the tree. I just want to go home already and put the tree up because I don't know how some people do it. How do you guys do it?
Yeah. And we're starting.
So we finally made it. We got the tree. I didn't want to film all the like standing it up and everything. It's just I don't know, it's a bit much.